Good morning, students. So let's continue with the problems of goodwill. A and B are partners in the firm, sharing profit and loss in the ratio 2:1. They decide to take C into partnership for 1/5 share on 1st April 2017. For this purpose, goodwill is to be valued at 80% of the average annual profit of the previous 3 or 4 years, whichever is higher. The profit for the last 4 years has been given. Calculate the value of goodwill. So in this problem, they have asked us to find out whether the profit of 3 years profit will be more or 4 years profit would be more. So first we need to calculate the average profit for 3 years and then the average profit for 4 years. So whichever profit is more, whether the profit of 3 years or 4 years, according to that goodwill will be valued at 80%. So let us work out the problem. Calculation of average profits. Make 4 columns based on 3 years profit. Then we have amount based on 4 years profit. Again we have amount. So 3 years profit 2015, 2016, 2017. What is the profit for 2015? $80,000, $76,000 and 1,20,000. Why have I not considered 2014? Because when they have asked us to find out the profit for 3 years, we would be taken into consideration only the last 3 years. Next we have based on 4 years profit 2014, 2015, 2016 and 2017. It is 98,000, 80,000, 76,000 and 4,20,000. Then we need to find the total of both the sides. For 3 years profit our total is 2,76,000 and for 4 years profit it is 3,74,000. Next we will be finding out the average profit. Average profit is equal to 2,76,000 divided by 3, that is 92,000. For 4 years it is average profit is equal to 3,74,000 divided by 4, which is 93,500. So which year's profit is more? 3 years or 4 years? It is of 4 years, that is 93,500. So next line write down 4 years average profit is higher than 3 years average profit. Next line, therefore goodwill is equal to, we will be calculating goodwill on whichever year's profit is more. They have told us 80% of average annual profit of previous 3 or 4 years, whichever is higher. So 93,500 into 80 by 100. So how much is it? 74,800 is the value of goodwill. Clear? Next, let's go on to illustration 6. A and B are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. They agreed to take C into partnership for 1/3 share. For this purpose, goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase of the average profit of last 4 years. So they have given us the profit or loss for the last 4 years. And then they have given on 1st April 2016, a motorbike costing 50,000 was purchased and debited to travelling expense account, on which depreciation is to be charged at 20% per annum. Calculate the value of goodwill. So first we will be calculating our adjusted profit, same how we did in illustration 4. Calculation of adjusted profits. we'll be having 5 columns, particulars and 4 years. So it is particulars, then we have 2014, 2015, 2016 and 2017. So first we'll be writing our profits. For 2014 it is 50,000, 1,20,000, 1,80,000 and then there is a loss of 70,000. Then we will be adding our motorbike cost. So add motorbike wrongly charged to P&L account. So in which year it was wrongly charged? 1st April 2016, which means 31st March 2017. So we will be adding 50,000 and then we will be deducting our depreciation. What percentage is the depreciation? It is at 20%. So 50,000 into 20 by 100. Why 50,000? Because motorbike is purchased for 50,000. So we get 10,000. So what is the total? 2014 50,000, 1,20,000, 1,80,000. Then we have minus 70,000 plus 20,000. How much do we get? Minus 20,000. Minus 20,000 minus 10,000. We get minus 30,000. Then we'll be calculating our average profit. Average profit is equal to 50,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 1,80,000 minus 30,000. Why minus 30,000? Because it is a loss. Divide by 4. So how much is it? 50,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 1,80,000 minus 30,000. We get 3,20,000 divided by 4, which is 80,000. So how do we calculate goodwill? Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. So how much is the number of years of purchase? It is 2 years. So 80,000 into 2, which is 1,60,000 is the amount of goodwill. Clear? Next, take down the side heading, weighted average profit method. So what do we mean by weighted average profit method? If they have given us the profit for 3 years, they would be giving us weights for each of the year. It can be 1, 2, 4, 3. Anything of such would be weights. With this weights, we will be calculating our goodwill. So there is a separate formula for that. Before that, write down under that. This method is a modified version of average profit method. Full stop. As per this method, each year's profit is assigned a weight. Full stop. The highest weight is attached to the profit of most recent year. So if they have given us 2014, 2015 and 2016 and if the weights are 3, 2, 1. So highest weight will be attached to the recent year. So next line, write down the formula. Thus the formula is weighted average profit is equal to total of products of profits divided by total of weights. Next line, goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of years of purchase. So weighted average profit method is considered better than the normal average profit method. So take down a problem. The profits of a firm for the last 5 years were as follows. They have given us the profit for 5 years. You are required to calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of weighted average profit. The weights are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has been given. So draw the table. First it is years. Then we have profits, weight, and the last column is product. So under years we have 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014 and last is 2015. Under profits 43,000, 50,000, 52,000, 65,000 and last is 85,000. Under weight 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next we need to multiply the profits and weight. First it is 43,000, then 50,000 into 2, 1 lakh, 50,000, 52,000 into 3, 1,56,000, 65,000 into 4, 2,60,000 and last one is 4,25,000. Then we need to total our product. It is 9,84,000. Next we find weighted average profit. It is total of products of profit divided by total of weights. We need to total our weights column as well. It is 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 15. So we get 9,84,000 divided by 15, which is 65,600. Goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of years of purchase. So what is the weighted average profit? 65,600 into 2, that is 1,31,200. So this is how we work out the problem when they have given us the profits and weights. First we will multiplying the profit and weight and getting the product. Then we total our weight and product. Next we find out the weighted average profit, that is product divided by weight. So 9,84,000 divided by 15 and last we find out the goodwill. So clear? So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.